Going on, Scorpion Trading Team, back with another market analysis video. Today we are going to be breaking down SPY and Tesla and what exactly is going on with these two stocks and what is expected in the future. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if we break down SPY, we can see that today we had a pretty good day. We closed up 0.4%, and yeah, we held up. We were consolidating in the morning, and then towards the afternoon we reached the high of the day. And yeah, we had a pretty good day today. And when we look at Tesla, on the other hand, Tesla was trading choppy all day. We didn't really do much. I mean, we closed above the open price, but if you look, it was very choppy trading all day. So yeah, let's break down exactly why that is happening and what's affecting the market. So if you take a look today, this morning we had initial jobless claims come out, and that ultimately affected the market along with the 4-week average jobless claim. So what these two statistics are telling us is that right now, there's actually more people working in America. So that's a good thing. But then if we look at the 4-week average, in the past 4 weeks, it's not looking too hot. It looks like people are lazy and don't want to work, but that's okay. And tomorrow we have core PCE coming out, and this is ultimately going to affect everything. 1 hour before the market opens, we're going to see core price index for May, and this is ultimately going to determine whether or not the Fed raises rates next month, interest rates, or if it holds, because they've been saying that core PCE is very sticky, and you can even tell last time we got the same number, and we're expecting to get the same number. But if we can break this 4.7 right here, we can get like 4.6, 4.5 if we're optimistic. Expect the markets to pump, because this data is coming out 1 hour before the market opens. And honestly, if we see it come in too hot, expect the market to drop, because don't be too surprised if we see the shorts start to win. And yeah, just keep your eye out for that. And that's really some of the most important data going on that's affecting SPY tomorrow. So if we look at support and resistance on SPY, we can see that we got high resistance right here at like 438.7, around there. And then we have support all the way down here at 436, pretty much. We'll call it 436 even on the dot. And if you look, we tested 436 like a couple times today, and it kept bouncing off of there. So that tells us we're in a good position as of right now. You also got to watch for support at 436.3. And yeah, if we can break resistance tomorrow up here at 438.6, expect the markets to pump and pump. I'm expecting it. If it breaks that, expect to see high 440s or low 440s. Sorry, not high. Expect it to break into the 440s, and that wouldn't be too surprising if we have good data, of course, and yeah, all that. But now let's take a look at Tesla and what's going on. So what's going on with Tesla? It's been trading choppy all day, and the reason for that is Tesla. It was rumored that Tesla was going to open a gigafactory in Mexico, and this wasn't true. It well, it was true, but not as soon as they expected it to be. If you scroll down, you can see that now they're saying it's not going to be until later into 2025, which that ultimately is causing Tesla to trade choppy today. And if we look, we have Tesla's deliveries coming out on Sunday, and this could play a major role in if we see Tesla pump or not. because if we see good delivery numbers, expect to see Tesla shoot up. Like, I'm talking at least to 279, like the high all-time high that it's made this year. We'll surpass that easily if it beats the if it has good deliveries. And if you take a look right here, we can see in the past 200 days the amount of Teslas being sold. So the red is the Model 3, the blue is the Model Y, the green is the Model S, orange is the Model X. If we look, we have Model X listings on the rise, but all the other three are declining. You can see that we had a sharp decrease in the mid of this month, in the middle of July, and we could see that it came all the way down here, and that's a good thing because we have the amount reported coming out on Sunday, and if we can see these listing numbers drop and continue to drop, expect Tesla to pump, because that's going to be really good news for Tesla. And we have earnings coming up next month, and if you want, you can also take the deliveries into account to play a role on the earnings, because if we have good delivery numbers, then that shows signs that we're going to have a good quarter. And so, that's just one thing you could take into consideration with Tesla. And if you just look, you can see today it was a very choppy day. We didn't really have much price action going on, a lot of sell-offs, and then the algos were buying it back. And you can really just see that didn't really do much. We closed up 0.5%. Normally Tesla moves 1% plus each way, either up or down within a trading day. So this wasn't that good of a day, to be honest. But it wasn't bad because, we did close green. Could always have sold off, so that's a good thing that didn't happen. So if we look back on SPY, you can see that we're testing the resistance up here at 439, right below 439. And if we can manage to open above that and get good data, I cannot repeat this enough. Expect the markets to pump like we did on Wednesday, because if we have good data, there's no reason for it not to pump. So just be on the lookout for all that. I hope you guys have a great trading week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.